Jaltis is divided in different categories like agriculture machines, heavy duty machines, commercial vehicles, marines, and off-highway vehicles. Fleet maintenance, the workshop who wants to just work on 24-volt, bus maintenance, truck maintenance, and much more. So it is generally cover all the CV brands, which is very famous in the world like Vans, Scania, Volvo, and much more. There are some functions for this tool. You can read and erase codes, you can check live data, you can do active tests, you can perform calibrations, and you can view the system status. In addition, there is some advanced functions, DPF registration, injector coding, clutch calibration, AdBlue system test, SCR diagnosis, and component test also. Nowadays, modern commercial vehicles use emission control system such as DPF, SCR, AdBlue, and NOx sensors. So this tool can help the technician to diagnose all these problems or fault codes, which can make this tool more powerful. So this is very important tool for the diesel maintenance workshop and fleet maintenance workshops. In addition, there is the add-on Jaltis Info and Info Plus. This is one of the biggest strength of the Jaltis in technical information system. So in Jaltis Info and Info Plus, it can give access to technician to approach repair information, system details, wiring diagram, component location, technical data, and troubleshooting support. So instead of just showing code, it can also explain you what does fault code means and how to approach it. Let me tell you the difference between normal HD scanners and Jaltis. So normal HD scanners can do normal reset functions, can show you some basic fault codes, and you can erase some codes, and some codes cannot be easy to erase. But this Jaltis can give you complete access on erasing fault codes. It can show you the live data. You can perform active tests. There is calibration options also. You can view wiring diagrams, and there is component information also. And in addition, there is CV connectors which you can use, and you can cover your commercial vehicle coverage. So that is a plus point for this Jaltis. So there is a wide coverage list in the Jaltis CV. If I can show you from the website, we have different kind of truck, trailer, bus, light commercial vehicles, and manufacturer. So if I will go this trucks only, so I can show you there is a wide coverage list. So from the trucks, I will just go the CV, and if I'll just scroll down, I have a wide coverage list for the brands. So we have Hino, we have BYD, we have Benz, we have Tata, and much more. Every brand is covered by Jaltis. So this is one of the main point for the Jaltis, support the commercial vehicles instead of other heavy duty scanners. So this is a fantastic tool. There is add-on Jaltis University or Jaltis College. Jaltis also provide training through their university known as Jaltis College. So this can also help the technician to understand commercial vehicle system, diagnostic procedures, electrical system, AdBlue system, braking system, and much more things about the commercial vehicle. So all courses are available on their website, which is available with the prices. Some are free courses, some are with the prices. So every course has a different language, so you can select your language and then you can access that code according to your requirement. So this is the most selling and most useful feature or plus point for the Jaltis, which is giving you academy or some trainings which you can use for your training purpose or which can use your self-learning skills. So this is a plus point from the Jaltis. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and support us.